Welcome to my channel. Learn how to internetmarketing.com. Today my buddy's going to go over how to make a download page.
Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a download page. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to change this existing page from download to downloads, and I'm going to change the title of the actual page as well by clicking that and then clicking OK. Now, if you were to copy this sentence right here, click here to download your file, and hit enter and hit paste and hit enter and hit paste, and then change the text on here like to download file 1, file 2, file 3, and then change the links, that would work just fine for creating our download page. But there's a few other things that you're going to want to put on there. First of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put a headline that says something like, "Thank you for your purchase of," we'll just say ABC product. Your download links are below. And then this actual title right here, we want to make this a title. So what we're going to do is, if it doesn't already display this, you can click on this little icon for toggle toolbar, and then we're going to highlight our sentence. That's going to be our headline, and then we're going to come over here, we're going to click on headline 1, and what that does is it makes it a nice big bold headline. So if we click update and then view page, you'll see it has a nice big headline now. "Thank you for your purchase of whatever. Your download links are below. Click here to download your files." Okay? So that's how we set up a download page. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your download page. And in this case, the way we're securing it is so that people don't find it easily or on accident. And there's a couple different ways that can happen. One is if you call your download page "thank you" or "download" or "downloads," people will just guess it sometimes, and they'll get your content or download files for free. That's one way. So the first way to solve that is to simply edit the page name from downloads to downloads, and then adding 4 or 5 other numbers or letters that are random afterwards, so that it's harder for people to guess. That's the first thing. The second thing is to also install a plugin so that the search engines will not index it. And the third is to install another plugin so that it won't be found within your site itself. Now, one of those plugins is already installed, and it's under page visibility, and you simply click on hide everywhere pages are listed, and then where it says keep in search results, we uncheck that. Okay, now that's Meta Robots. I'll show you that in a second. And then we click on update, and then the second plugin, we'll come over here and add it. So the first one is Meta Robots, which we already have installed, but I'll just show you what that looks like. So install that and activate. And then the other one that I actually misspoke, that was already installed, but just so you can see what it looks like, is WP Hide Post, and we can see it's already installed. Okay, so now what happens is when we come over here and we hit update, there's going to be one more thing over here on the side. We've got page visibility, and then we've got Meta Robots. Now the WP Hide Post is what this is, and the Meta Robots stops it from being found by the search engine. So what you do is you click no index, no follow. So now we've got it where our page is secure for our downloads. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a download link. So earlier we created a new media. We showed how to upload a new media. So what we want to do is come over here and copy that URL, which is the location for that media file, And then we come over here and we highlight the words. In this case, it's click here to download your file. We want the words click here to be the link for our download link. We click on link, we paste it in there, and because it's a zip file, we don't have to click on open link in a new tab, because all that happens when they click on it is it will automatically download that zip file. And we click add link. Now if we click update, we are all done. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file. This can be really helpful if you have several different, like say for example, text items, audio files, video files that you want to compress and put in one folder for people to download. So actually all we have to do for this is, I'm going to show you on my desktop here, I've got multiple files here, is you click and drag over the files that you want to put in one zip file, and then you right click and you put compress for items, or however many items there are, you just click on that and it'll automatically put it into a zip file, and by default it'll call it archive. So you could call it downloads and then product name, whatever the product is. And so now all we have to do is come over here and click on new media, select files, double click on our zip file, and now that zip file is on our media, which means we click on edit, and now we've got our file over here where it says file URL. So if we simply click on this and copy it on our download page, we would just say click here to download your product, and then all you have to do is link that to this URL.
Well, good information right there, folks. Thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and go check it out for more details and information at www.learnhowtointernetmarketing.com. Thank you.